Hi children, today I am going to teach lesson 1 English for standard 5. The topic is exploring space. My little Pictionary. The Milky Way, the galaxy that contains our solar system. Earth, the planet on which we live. Space Shuttle, a spacecraft designed to be used for traveling to a space station. Solar System, the Sun and all the planets that move around it. Universe, the whole of space and everything in it, including the planets, the stars, and galaxies. Let's listen the lesson. Earth, the desolated home. Desolated means the place which is empty without any people. It's not attractive also. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. They are colonizing in the red planet Mars. India established three colonies. India established three colonies for Indian people. Ariyamadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her from the earth to Mars. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. Capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Ariyamadi was surprised to see her grandpa. "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." He shied. "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month, but this time it did not. So I'm on time. There is no dust storm in the Mars." So her grandfather be in the time. "It still took me 3 sols to reach here." Soul means a Martian day. "Now come on, let's not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hub for vegetables." They went to harvest to get a vegetable. In the hub, he said, these carrots are not tasty anymore, like the ones I ate in my childhood." "Who said?" Grandpa said. She asked, "Why do you say Grandpa?" Grandfather explained, "The vegetables we grow here do not taste like the ones on the earth." "I really wish you had tasted the carrots from the earth," Arivu asked eagerly. "How did they grow the crops and vegetables on the earth?" Now the grandfather was sad, like he is missing the earth. Now he is also on the Mars, so he is missing the earth. He said the earth had fertile soil, so the fruits and vegetables grown were healthy and tasty. She asked, "But I learned that humans used chemical She asked, "But I learned that humans used chemical fertilizers and polluted the soil. Here we get unpolluted food and water. Is that correct?" Grandpa laughed. "Already I told you, these fruits, vegetables, and water are not the same as in the earth. They are not real." Arivu exclaimed, "Even the water?" He said, "Of course. In Mars, we get water from burning fuels. On the earth, we used to get water from rain. It was natural and it was free." She said, "Grandpa, enough of your stories about the earth. I know that life there was easy, but here survival is very difficult." He replied, "Yes, dear, adapting to Mars is difficult. Today we are fighting for things which we got easily." He continued, "In the earth, you did not need a space suit or an oxygen cylinder. We don't have oxygen cylinder to breathe, but on the Mars, they need to wear a space suit and an oxygen cylinder. Also, the years are longer here." Arivu said, "Yes, Grandpa. In the Mars, 687 days make a year. In the earth, we have only 365 days in a year, but in the Mars, 687 days make a year. He smiled. Ha ha, yes, you'd be 18 years old on the earth now. Grandpa thought to himself, we destroyed our home, the home that nature had offered us. Now we are trying to make this our home. Arivu looked at him and said, don't worry, Grandpa. The Mars. The scientists are trying to terraform the Mars. He said, true, but nothing can be the Earth. The Earth is our home. Huh, let us leave this from now. Today we should celebrate. Okay, what is terraform? A process to make the environment most suitable. Okay, let's see some glossaries. Soul, Martian solar day or a Martian day. Capsule, a small cylinder shaped bed. Hab, habitat or human settlement. Fuel, an energy source for engines, power plants, or reactors. Adapting, modify or readjust. Survival, to remain alive. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Scientist and expert in science. Let's see some exercise. Choose the correct option. Life found on other planet is called alien. 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 Some people believe that there might be life on dash planet. Mars. 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 I don't live on moon, but I live in Earth. 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 The person who travels to space is an astronaut. 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 The scientific observer of the celestial bodies is astronomer. He is called as astronomer. 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 Students, you have to do the fill in the blanks. Okay. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.